You just signed up for a free trial. You clicked a little through the solution and you ended up here in the RTE Cockpit, where the real power of PI Planning IO sits. Now what? Well, simple. With this course, you will set up your first teams, model your first art, and prepare your first PI planning session, and learn how you can steer your art towards a more value-oriented planning rhythm. The RTE Cockpit is the control center for the RTE. Minimize the functionalities in the planning UI so your teams can better focus on what really matters. Let me quickly show you around in the RTE Cockpit. Under Save PIs, we can find all the PI sessions that we created, administer them, and prepare new ones. Under Organization, we define how our organization is structured. We create the teams, invite users to those teams, form the arts, and possible solution trains. Under Users, we can handle the permissions of each user that has access to PI Planning IO. ALM Connections is probably very self-explanatory. Here we make sure that the real-time bidirectional synchronization between PIPlanning.io and your Jira, Rally, or Microsoft Azure DevOps are well set up. SSO is about your access management through an OpenID provider. Be aware that it requires at least our premium plan for this. Under Billing, we can add additional licenses, extend the licenses, and upgrade the plan. Under Settings, we can extract any audit logs if needed, and then there is also Learn, which will lead us to additional resources about the use of PIPlanning.io and community advice. By clicking on our avatar in the upper right corner, we can navigate to our user profile. In this course, you will learn how to prepare your first PI with PIPlanning.io. What we will not cover is the ALM connection. That's for another course. But let's get started.